Hindi, no, just look at this, no. Anong pinapakita ni Sara Duterte sa taong bayan na to? May isa siyang salita. Sinabi niya, sasamahan ko kayo. Yes. Diba? Sinabi niya sa mga staff niya, sasamahan ko kayo, ikulong kayo, sasamahan ko kayo. So what did Sara Duterte did?
Exactly that.
Exactly that. So nakita nyo na kung gaano siya, wala na nga siyang pakialam eh. Wala na siyang pakialam kung maging presidente siya o hindi. Tutuparin niya yung sinabi niya. Nagets niyo? Yes. Wala siyang pakialam. Yung sinasabi niya, Sara for president, wala siyang pakialam dyan. Ang gusto ni Sara ngayon ay ipakita sa inyo kung ano ang itsura ng taong may paninindigan. Yun. Ngayon, kung maging presidente man siya o hindi, sinabi niya na, she doesn't give a fuck about being president. Yes. What Sara Duterte is showing right now is like what her father did during his presidency. I don't give a fuck even if I go to hell just to protect the Filipino people. Yan ang ginagawa. And she's doing it right now.
And she even went to the depths of hell, planting herself in the land of the enemy mismo, doon sa HOR, and they cannot do anything about it.
Can you imagine, nandyan, ginaganyan-ganyan siya ng mga police, vice president yan. Voted with 32 million votes, highest in the history of the Philippines. 32 million, highest in the history of the Philippines. No one can recreate it anymore, not in our lifetime. Pero anong ginagawa nila? Ganyan. Walang pakialam si Sara. Nandyan siya. Anong ginawa niya dun sa police? You do not follow an illegal order. Huwag kayong bakla. Alam niyong mali ito. Ginanon niya yung police. Sa harap nila, nakita ninyo na wala siyang pakialam. Sara do not care about being president. She doesn't care if you want her to be president or not. Sara will stand up for what is right.
Correct. Correct. Ayun.